Yo, what's up guys? Thank you for returning and watching another video. Today, it's a little bit different. It's not the usual stock investing type of thing. I kind of do a little bit of marketing on the side. As you can already tell by the title, it's marketing based, but I do marketing as well. So I kind of want to maybe incorporate that to the YouTube channel. And if you like it, if I see people are liking it, then I'll upload more. So I know it's not like a topic that I labeled my YouTube channel to talk about, but anyways, this is the strategy that I'm gonna currently use to try and grow my subscribers on YouTube. Now the strategy, it's a little bit different from the strategy that I've applied on different platforms such as Google. Like I fiddled around with Google ads for a bit, but I don't understand it fully to take advantage of its of what it has to offer. So I kind of spent like $200 on it already. But the mistake that I did was that, well, according to this guy that I watched that gives me YouTube tips on YouTube, he says do not promote the content, like the content that you have uploaded and listed publicly, because that will affect the SEO ranking of, or the ranking of your video on YouTube. So you can see the two videos that I actually uploaded, so I mean that I promoted on my YouTube channel. It's the ones that are actually have the highest views there. So yeah, I spent like about $200, maybe even less, on those videos. One of them has like 1,000.9, and then the other one has like a 2,000 views. 1.9 thousand, the other one 2,000 views. And I tried actually testing to see if what he said about the videos being, like YouTube not ranking the videos that you promote through Google ads. But since my YouTube channel doesn't gain a lot of views, I won't be able to see a substantial difference on the view count. So it's around the same amount of views that it has since I promoted it. So I'd have to wait until my YouTube channel actually gains traction so I can see if those videos are still ranking. If they're still ranking, if they're gaining views without me promoting it, then they're ranking for that. So it's a good way to actually test that theory out from this YouTube guy that I watch on Google Ads. So basically the platform that I'm testing right now on, and I've built out like a funnel for, is business, Facebook business, right? So on the business manager, on the business side of Facebook, you can create campaigns, ads, ad sets. So basically, if you don't understand Facebook, but most of you probably do since you're watching this video, but if not, here I'm gonna explain it. So in campaigns, you can optimize for video views, engagement. So these are different stages of creating an ad. First, you have to create a campaign. Second, you have to create an ad set. Third, you have to create an ad, whether it's a picture or video ad. So in the campaign stage, you can basically optimize for engagement. So you want to pay Facebook to get a lot of engagement on your posts. You pay them for that. Optimize for engagement, optimize for video views, optimize for traffic, which will send Facebook users to a web page that's of your choice or wherever you link to. And then you can also optimize for conversions, different types of conversions, purchase conversions, and some other ones that I need to look into to actually tell you, but purchase conversion is one of them. Optimize for leads. So those are a few. Brand awareness. Those are the different types of campaigns that you can optimize for, right? And within one campaign, you have different ad sets. You can have an ad set is basically where you do the targeting, where you add the demographics, where you add the interest, the behavior. So if you want to target someone that has this particular interest, you put it there in the ad set level. And then the ad has your video or picture with the copy, which is what you write on the text on that ad. And if you want to add a link to direct people who are interested to a web page, or maybe even YouTube in this case, you can do so. So basically, shit, this camera's fucking heavy. Sorry. Anyways, in that campaign, I'm optimizing for video views. Okay? And I'm basically building an audience. So there's, I think, 5 sections to this funnel. Like I said before, it's like basically a funnel. So on the top, there's 4 different campaigns. There's on the top of the funnel, it's targeting cold audiences. So basically, a cold audience is someone who hasn't seen your ad or hasn't seen you ever on Facebook. they're new to you, right? So so on that discovery, I named it discovery video, and that's campaign number 1. I have that discovery video of just me giving a tour of the apartment, this and that, and I titled it Stock Traders Minimalistic Apartment Tour, right? So I'm targeting different interests, so about 4 or 5 different interests, sending viewers to that same video. So now what I'm doing to move them from the discovery video down to the first value video, which is one step below. So the funnel is basically gathering a bunch of people here. Then once they watch 25%, which is the custom audiences that I'm gonna get into, they get pushed down to that second level. So basically, I created on Facebook, you can create custom audiences, and you can create custom audiences whether someone visits a web page or does performs a specific action. In this case, I'm optimizing for video views, so I'm going to create an audience, which I'm going to create an audience for people who watch 25% of that discovery video, 50% of that discovery video, 75 and 95% of that discovery video. So you have to at least watch 25% of that discovery video to get pushed down to that first value video. So I created, and those audiences are just picking up viewers from that one video. You can have multiple videos that it can. So let's say you have discovery video, or you have 5 different videos. You can create a custom audience of people who watch 25% of all those 5 different videos. But in this case, I'm only, for each campaign, each video that it has, it's pulling people that watch 25, 50, 75%, and 95% of that video. So, okay, my back is kind of hurting from holding this camera. Let's move around. But anyways, so yeah, and then on that second campaign, I have another ad where it's only targeting warm audiences. So I'm not doing interest-based targeting anymore. I'm pulling people who watch 25% of that video, 50%, 95%, and 75%. So each campaign has 4 different ad sets. Each of those ad sets has those interests. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about at all, just look into some Facebook advertising and just get familiarize yourself with it, so then you can apply this strategy. Although I don't know if the strategy is working right now, because I'm still building an audience at the top of the funnel, gathering a lot of people to then move down to that first value video. So I have 3 value videos below that discovery video. So that's already 4. And then once you've watched that first value video, now I'm getting those people, 25% of those people who watched that first value video, and I'm moving them down to the second. And then if you want to get a little complicated, I'm also excluding people. So at the discovery video campaign, I'm excluding people who watch 3 seconds of that first value video, because first value video is below that discovery video. So I don't want that discovery video to be shown to those that already seen it and were already watched and already pushed down the funnel. So it's kind of repetitive, and Facebook will kind of like, if it gets repetitive, and it, Facebook will also increase your cost per through play, because it's annoying people. It's not keeping them on the platform, longer. So, and Facebook rewards you by giving you a low cost because you're able to keep someone on the platform for longer. So, at least that's my theory. But anyways, so that's basically the funnel. And then at the end, so I basically did that same process for 3 times or 4 times. I did a discovery video, then 3 value videos, and then I'm gonna ask for a subscription on YouTube, or on Facebook for YouTube. So I basically say, okay, it's already 11 minutes. So I basically say at the bottom, so to be pushed down the funnel, you're gonna have to watch 25% of each of those videos. So I say, so those people are actually interested in what I'm putting out. So I say, if you guys like the content that I've been putting out, if you guys like the content that I've been putting out on Facebook, that you've been consuming on Facebook, then you're gonna like probably clicking, going to my YouTube channel and consuming the content that I have there. Something around those lines. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do because I still have yet to film it. Like I said, I don't have that audience built up to then push them down that funnel, because you have to have a lot of people there. But so far I spent about $140 something, and my cost per through plays are down to 0.03 and 0.02, so about 2 and 3 cents per through play. So everyone that watches, I get charged 3 or 2 cents, which is not bad. It's pretty good. So once I accumulate the audience, I'll be able to do an update if this actually has worked or not. So I hope you guys got the concept, basically the concept down. I know I was staring off because I'm trying to get my thought process straight so I can actually explain to you, because it does get kind of complicated. So if I don't explain it in the right order, it can get kind of confusing. Anyways, so that's basically the video. That's basically the strategy that I'm trying out to see if I can gain subscribers. Now, if you actually want to see more videos about marketing, I know my channel isn't about marketing. Maybe I'll just do occasional videos about marketing. But if you like this type of stuff, like this video, because that is gonna tell me if I should do more videos about marketing, or maybe even leave a comment and say do more. But basically that's it. That's the strategy that I'm trying out. If I go ahead and test Google again and come up with a strategy there, then I'll make a video on that. But that's the process that the strategy that I'm applying to try and grow my YouTube channel, and I'll see if it works. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. And if you guys like watching more videos, consider subscribing, turning on that notification bell, as it does help grow this channel. And if that's something you want to see happen, then make it happen. Let's make it happen together. All right, guys. So that's basically it. Peace, guys. See you on the next one.